Extending AutoCAD with custom commands and have ILB compiled LISP files. These provide protected automation routines for CAD workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to load and use these AutoCAD compiled LISP files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the ILB format, but we'll attack the top issues first. Users encounter ILB files when working with custom tools or add-ins for Autodesk AutoCAD. They are typically trying to load a third-party utility or a compiled script to automate tasks or add new functionality. The primary goal is to integrate these compiled routines into their AutoCAD design workflow. The ILB format is a compiled binary version of an AutoLISP LSP source code file. Autodesk designed this format to protect intellectual property by obscuring the source code and to improve loading performance within AutoCAD. It contains machine-readable byte-code rather than human-readable text, making it faster to execute. Official support for ILB is primarily provided through Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows cannot show what they do, so they must be handled through supported applications. Your first test is essential. Right-click the ILB file and select Open With. Use Autodesk AutoCAD first if it is on your system. If not, select another option. We must find the program that handles the format correctly. When an ILB file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, loading in AutoCAD. Within AutoCAD, use the appload command to load the ILB file or place it in AutoCAD's startup directory for automatic loading. Once loaded, the custom commands defined in the ILB become available through the command line and any registered toolbar buttons or menu items associated with the LISP application. Next, configuring autoload. Add ILB files to the startup suite through Upload Commands Contents button to load them automatically when AutoCAD starts. This ensures custom commands are always available without manual loading. Manage multiple ILB files for different drafting disciplines or project types through the startup suite for streamlined workflow setup. Finally, troubleshooting failures. If ILB files fail to load, verify AutoCAD version compatibility, since compiled LISP may target specific AutoCAD releases. Check for missing dependencies on other LSP or ARX modules referenced by the ILB. Contact the original developer for source LSP files or recompiled ILB versions matching your current AutoCAD installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.